Hi, in a previous video I gave this spaceman a pistol and a shotgun. Now I'll give him some bullets and he will be able to shoot them from his guns. Here is my project with a new bullet sprite and a couple of new scripts. Let's put it all together. First of all, I need to rename my pistol and shotgun prefabs, adding this underscore symbol to their names. I need it to determine which weapon player is holding at the moment and which fire pattern will be used. Okay. Next step is to add a barrel game object to the pistol and shotgun prefabs. This barrel game object will be used as a spawning point for bullets. I bring a pistol and shotgun to the scene and give both of them a child game object named as a barrel. Barrel will be positioned at the tip of the gun. And it should be rotated by -90 degrees in the z-axis because bullets will be sent along the green axis. Same for shotgun. Once a prefab is edited, I should apply the changes. Pistol and shotgun will use fire script. I drag and drop it into them. Here is the script. Variables. In the start method, I get the name of a weapon which is used at this moment. In update, if the fire button is pressed, weapon fire method is invoked, which gets this weapon name as a parameter. And in this method, if a pistol is used, then one bullet is spawned and is sent along the green axis. If the current weapon is a shotgun, then 3 bullets are spawned, where each bullet gets its own direction. First bullet goes a bit downwards, the second bullet goes straight forward, and the third bullet goes a bit upwards. So I have kind of shotgun spread here. That's the script. So the script is attached, and I have to drag and drop bullet prefab and barrel game object to their slots of the script. Bullet prefab goes here, but I don't have a bullet yet. Let's create it. I drag and drop bullet sprite to the scene. Here it is. Bullet needs a collider to detect a collisions later. It should be a trigger. Also, the bullet needs a rigid body 2D. Gravity scale is 0 and collision detection is continuous. I drag and drop bullet into prefabs folder, creating a prefab of it. Bullet from hierarchy can be deleted. Now I can fill fire script slots with game objects. Select pistol, bullet goes here, and the pistol barrel goes here. Same for shotgun. Bullet goes here, shotgun's barrel goes here. Apply changes to prefabs. Pistol and shotgun are ready to go. Delete them from hierarchy. One little script for bullets. This script just destroys a bullet after 3 seconds. Of course, this is not the good approach to instantiate and destroy bullets. You should use an object pooling system for that. I have a video about it. A link will be in the description. Almost done. I hit play to test it, and once I press the Q button to select a weapon, I get an error. It happens because I forgot to add an underscore symbol to the pistol and shotgun in weapon control script. What a stupid mistake. Done. Now it should work just fine. Great. Hope you liked this tutorial, thank you for watching and see you next time.